This one is really small but mighty. This is HOTO's air pump pocket, and this thing can go ahead and help you inflate those tires for your electrical scooter, for your bike, for your bicycle. It can go up to 150 psi, and you have the nozzle on the side that can go ahead and fold out and fold in. It is rechargeable, and you can easily see and select the psi's that you need depending on the tire or what you are inflating. I also appreciate the attention to detail. You have this label right at the top to let you know your mountain bike and electrical scooter psi, and you also have a nozzle for your basketball, so definitely check it out.